Hey there, BMX fans. Today we're taking a closer look at the AVASTA 1820 Kids BMX bike. If you're just getting started with BMX or looking for a reliable and comfortable ride, this bike is perfect for you. It's made from strong high-ten steel, so you can count on it for reliable support and long-lasting comfort, whether you're riding on the street, in the park, or on the trails. The single-speed drivetrain and rear caliper brake make for easy, low-maintenance riding. And the wheelset features 18x 2.4 tires mounted on aluminum single-wall 36H rims with 3/8 female axle front hub and 16T cog sealed bearing cassette rear hub. Whether you're 5 to 8 years old and 3'10" to 4'3" inches tall or 6 to 15 years old and 4'1" to 5'5" inches tall, there's a size that's just right for you. And with 85% of the bike pre-assembled, assembly tools included, and a limited lifetime warranty, you can hit the streets in no time with confidence. So, if you're ready to take your BMX game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the AVASTA 1820 Kids BMX bike. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a bike that's built for beginners and backed by quality. Join the BMX revolution today.